definitely kind of messed up a little bit. Didn't realize how much earlier it was getting dark out, so I thought I still had another hour or two of daylight when I don't. So this is kind of unfortunate, but with my job, I don't really see outside a whole lot, so I don't notice when it starts getting darker earlier and everything like that, because it's always dark when I leave. But I guess now I know for tomorrow and future rides. I'm just gonna go on a short little lap basically in my area. I'd like to go to riding tomorrow as well, and now that I know it gets darker earlier, I'll plan accordingly and leave the house earlier. I was thinking about taking the R6 out, just because the past, I believe it was either 7 or 9, I don't remember, but most of my videos recently have been on this bike, so I figured I'd get the R6 back out just to kind of mix it up a little bit, maybe get, well, I was gonna say get one last ride on it for the season, but it's only September. But at the same time, like right now I have a hoodie on, and I've been out for probably 5 minutes, and I'm already getting a little chilly. Like my hands are very cold. It's cooling off pretty quick. We are getting that fall weather already, surprisingly. Because like I said, normally I try to ride until November-ish, and it's only September 10th. So riding season might end a little earlier this year, which I'm not looking forward to, because I am not stockpiled or anything for the winter, nowhere near. My videos end like the first week of October as of right now. So I definitely have a lot of recording to do, which is part of why I would like to go tomorrow. But I will possibly get the R6 out just to mix it up some, get another video on that. And I just thought of where I could go. So yeah, I think I have a plan for tomorrow, hopefully. As long as it doesn't fall through. So I'm still, quick update on the ZX, on the Ninja 1000. Still waiting on parts right now. I had another big change with it, but still waiting on parts, which sucks. And for my car, I'm still waiting on them to finish the rear bumper for the insurance and stuff, insurance claim. But with that being said, while I've been driving the Mustang around while waiting for my car, there's been a couple of different instances that have happened where, because of it being the Mustang, I was able to like avoid those situations, get away from them, whatever, however you want to word it. And it made me really, really want a faster car, because don't get me wrong, I love my car. I've had it for 5 years now. I've had it since the beginning of 2020. Yeah, the very beginning of 2020. I love my car, but it is a inline 4-cylinder, so it's not very fast. So with driving this Mustang around all the time and feeling what a faster car is like, it really makes me want to get something like that. And there is a Camaro coming up on auction on Copart. Okay, forgot how to talk there. There's a Camaro coming up on Copart that looks real good, but that's the problem, because usually when the better they look, the higher they go for. It doesn't run. It doesn't even run. And the front fender needs replaced, which is what I just replaced on my car. But the whole not running part is an issue. Could literally just need a new battery though, like the Ninja. Whoops. Sometimes that's the issue. It's very rare, but that is sometimes what happens when you get lucky. So I'm tempted to try to get like a Camaro or a Mustang or something like that from Copart, so I can have a faster car. But I'm also not exactly in that spot financially, so I'm not sure how likely that is. But if it does happen, I might make a little rebuild series on that car. I would like that to happen, but like I said, not financially super likely right now. I think I saw somewhere that over Labor Day weekend there was 51 different shootings in Chicago. Not all people died, obviously. There's just different shootings. I think there was like over 9 deaths, 9 different killings and stuff, just over Labor Day weekend, which is ridiculous. In the span of 3 or 4 days, that many people, that's ridiculous. I'm hoping some stuff gets done about that, just for the overall greater good. I'm worried about possibly getting deployed to one of those cities. Well, I'm not worried. I'm definitely not worried about it. It's just like, let me think of the wording here. Like, I feel like there's a potential, put it that way. I'm not worried if it does happen, but I also wouldn't be super surprised if it did. Like, I think that's something that could happen the way things are going. In which case, I'm obviously not going to be able to go riding or make videos that entire time, because I won't be in the area. Take my test to get EMR certified on Friday. Today's Wednesday, so on Friday morning I have that test. If I pass that, then I take like 2 more tests for it, and then we'll be EMR certified as long as I pass all of those, which I'm not too worried about. Relatively confident in it. So, but hoping that goes well. I don't like this road because it's in horrible condition. I will try to show you. I'm not sure how well it's going to show up, considering I'm an idiot and it's dark out now. I'll try to show you how bad it is up ahead. But not only that, there's also horrible drivers in the area. Can't trust them anywhere. But this road is even worse because they pull out right in front of you, or they will drive into your lane to go around the essentially sinkhole in the middle of the road. Also, I've been noticing this truck. It's pretty cool. Might use that for the thumbnail, actually. Literally a year ago, they came onto this road, closed off a whole side, and had us go through like one side at a time and everything. Made measurements and markings and everything all over the pavement. I'm not sure if you can see the headlights bouncing everywhere from the road, but made measurements and stuff on the pavement like they were going to do something about it. Never touched it since. And that was over a year ago. They never did anything about it. And it just keeps getting worse. Alright, looks like I won't be showing you because the road is closed, which I did not know. Well, that's fun. Now I have to figure out how to get home. Those stink. There's something burning. Oh boy. Well, this sucks. I've never been back here. I'm now lost. I'm probably just going to wrap this one up here because, like I said, I'm lost. I'm not sure what else to talk about, but I have to try to figure out how I'm going to get home now. Don't have my phone now with me, so it's not like I can just GPS it and leave it up. So I'm going to figure this one out. I'll probably end this one here. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope all these cars aren't coming this way because the road's closed up ahead. But I'll figure that out. Or maybe it's a good sign and it's the way I have to go around. I don't know. But like I said, I'll figure that out. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one as long as I actually make it home. Later. Maybe they're finally actually doing something about it because they just had me go around the borderline sinkhole I mentioned earlier that they fucking measured out and then did, that they measured out and then didn't do anything about. Now that road's like fully blocked off, so maybe they're actually finally getting to and fixing it, which would be nice because I'm tired of driving through it every day on my way to work. But yeah, I just figured I'd throw that in there. I'm no longer lost, so we're good. Oh, that sounded so good.